Hello, this is Erica and I'm coming to you all from my clawfist. I wanted to make this video to highlight an underutilized feature of Canvas Teacher app for iPad. So I am going to turn my camera around and focus it on my iPad so you can see exactly what I'm doing so this makes sense. So while I'm doing that, I'm just going to explain how I use this resource and this tool. Okay, you should be able to see my iPad pretty much in full view there. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit. Okay, and the first thing you need to do is download the app, the Canvas for Teacher iPad app. So if you drag down on any home screen, you can type in app for the App Store, or I've recently accessed it. And then if you type in at the top up here, Canvas Teacher, this is the app that you're looking for. It has a yellow sunburst star-like feature. You're just going to download it. It's a free app and it'll only take a second or two to download. So it pops up right here on my page and I'm going to tap on that. And you can allow it to send you notifications, that's fine. So I've used this app before and I've logged in, but you can log in with your SUNet credentials, the same thing you use to access Canvas on a web browser or on your laptop. So I have over here on this left side all of the courses that are typically seen on my dashboard, and I've built in a sample assignment into my Sandbox course just to demonstrate this. So what happens is that it pops up here as a to-do thing. And this means like, oh, students have turned something in, there's something to grade. So if you click on to do, what I'm going to show you all is a sample reflection assignment that I created. And you can see that Alvin Apple has submitted this assignment. And what's really cool about grading on the iPad is that I can use my Apple Pencil as an annotation tool. So I can say, you know, I really want to provide the student some feedback. You know, I'd really like to use red. That's actually the highlight tool. I'm going to use red. And then I can zoom in on this if this type isn't big enough, and I can say, great idea. I can write on it just like I would write on any other piece of paper. So I can also highlight aspects of this and say, you know, this part, I can add a comment here. I can change the highlight color. I can say, I agree. So you can see that I can type with the letters down here. I can also write, so it'll link these comments. If you pull up from the bottom of this page here, this goes into the overall assignment comment. So I can give this student a grade. I made this assignment so that it went from 1 to 10. And I can say, you know, that was about a 9 job on this assignment. There's a space for comments that can be typed in here also and say, wonderful, you know, whatever you want to say. And it will tag it with my name and time and date stamp that. Also, here you can see this is the assignment that the student uploaded, or this fake student uploaded. And if they have uploaded multiple different documents for this assignment, they'll all pop up there. So then you can just drag this and get this out of the way. And this brings you back to the assignment. And when you're done grading, you can click done. And if I had a bunch of students to grade, I could just swipe right and the next student would pop up. And then I just say done, and it's great. So that to-do list item went away and that assignment is graded. So that's all I wanted to show you all, is just a really cool way to annotate and to make the iPad really feel like pen and pencil, and provide those students more individualized feedback for their work. That's it. Enjoy.